Yeah. 5 plus 2 root 6 is equals to the root of 3 plus 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 2. That becomes take the screenshot up to here first. That we can write root a plus root b, right? So root a plus root b. You can go root 3 plus root 2. Direct substitution in formula. No. Direct substitution in formula. Right. Did you get that, Nana? Just replace. So just see, in place of root AB, we have 6. That we can write 2 into 3. Okay, where A is equals to 2 or B is equals to 3, or A is equals to 3, B is equals to 2 we can take. Okay, and replace the values in place of this formula, A and B values. Suppose A is equals to 3, B is equals to 2. Substitute the values in this. What it becomes? Okay, once again I'm repeating. So 3, A value 3, B value 2, plus 2 root 2 into 3, or 3 into 2. That we can write as root 3 plus root 2 is the answer, which comes under multiplication as well, 1 mark, 2 marks question. Okay, that's enough. Okay, next see, one more concept, rationalizing, very important concept, no? Rationalizing factor, rationalizing the denominator. So rationalizing the denominator. So can we look at it here? Can we locate 1 by root 2 on the number line? What is the value of 1 by root 2? How do we find the value? So root 2 is equals to 1.4142135 so on, which is neither terminating nor repeating. Can you divide 1 with this? Can you divide 1 by 1.4142135 so on? Can you repeat that, Nana? No, right? So it does not seem to be easy to find 1 by root 2. So finding the 1 by root 2 value is not an easy thing, right? See, let us try to change the denominator into a rational form. So here we are converting the, so what is the, suppose if you have 1 by root 2, no? You have 1 by root 2. What is the denominator? Root 2. That is a irrational number, right? Irrational number. Numerator is rational. So dividing a rational number by irrational number is little bit tough to do that. Okay, but if the denominator is rational, it will be little bit easy to find. Okay, so what we are doing here is just we are converting the denominator into rational form. Here we have irrational number in the denominator. That irrational number we are going to convert it into a rational form. Yeah, can you hear my voice clearly, Nana? Please show me thumbs up. Yeah, okay. So numerator is rational number, denominator is irrational number. So dividing a rational number by irrational number is tough task, whereas dividing irrational number by rational is very simple. See, rational number by irrational is tough, no. Okay, but irrational number by rational is a little bit simple, a little bit easy compared to that. Okay, so we are going to convert this irrational number into this rational form. Okay, just we are focusing on denominator. Okay, I'm not talking about the numerator, Nana. Okay, I'm just talking about only denominator. So here we are converting the irrational denominator into a rational denominator. The process of conversion denominator into rational to irrational is called rationalization process or rationalizing. Did you get that, Nana? I will ask you questions. Start your videos, all of you. Sahasra. Start your video, Sahasra. Sahasra. Tarak Mani. Sit properly. Yeah. Sahasra, what is rationalization? Quotient and some reminder. Okay. But if it is if it is rational number, it's okay. Numerator is integer and denominator is also integer. Okay. If it is rational number also, no problem. If numerator is a rational number, denominator is also a rational number, then it is no, we can simply take division between them. Then suppose if you observe here, this is a rational number. Okay, except 0 nana here, except 0, remember here. Okay. And denominator is a irrational, right? So in this case, when the numerator is rational and denominator is irrational, we cannot perform the division easily. It is little bit tough. So root 2 value 1.414 something so on. Okay, it is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. So we cannot find that thing. So thing is, this irrational denominator, we are converting into. So this irrational denominator we shall convert into rational. We shall convert into rational. Ante irrational denominator ni rational loki convert chestam. ఆ కన్వర్షన్ ఉండే చేస్తాం కదా, ఆ ప్రాసెస్ ని రేషనలైజింగ్ అంటారు. రేషనలైజింగ్ ద డినామినేటర్, రేషనలైజింగ్ ద డినామినేటర్. డినామినేటర్ చేసి డినామినేటర్ అంటారు, న్యూమరేటర్ చేసి న్యూమరేటర్ అంటారు. రేషనలైజింగ్ ద డినామినేటర్, రేషనలైజింగ్ ద న్యూమరేటర్. ఓకే, క్లియర్? సో వాట్ ఇస్ మీన్ బై రేషనలైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్? Converting the irrational denominator into a rational form is called rationalizing process or rationalizing the denominator. Okay, see, can you see the screen now? See Nana here, you observe. So observe that root 2 and root 2 is equals to 2. Thus we say root 2 is a rationalizing factor of root 2. So to convert this root 2 into rational, root 2 is a irrational actually. Okay, to convert that root 2 into rational form, we need to multiply with one more root 2, right? Suppose see, you have root 2. If you want to convert that into a rational, what you have to do? Just take one more root 2 and multiply. It becomes root 2 whole square. Square root gets cancelled. You will get 2. Now this is a rational number, right? Okay, clear? So here, this root 2 is called rationalization factor, rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor we call. Okay, rationalizing factor. What is rationalizing factor? Which converts the irrational number into rational. Okay, the number which converts the irrational number into rational is called rationalizing factor. Okay, isn't it? See, one more thing here. So look at here, root 2 and root 8, it becomes root 16, we got 4. And here also root 2 into root 18, we got root 36, that is nothing but 6. So here root 2, root 8, root 18, all these made this irrational number into rational forms, right? But among them, we shall take least one, Nana. We shall take least one. Okay. The simplest rationalization factor we shall take always. Okay. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? No, no. Sit properly, all of you. Yeah. Is there any doubts? No doubt, right? Okay, good. Next, Sinana, find the rationalizing factors of denominators 1 by 2 root 3, 3 by root 5, and 1 by root 8. We'll discuss about later. So before going to that, just let us see some problems here. Rationalize the denominator of 4 plus root 5. Example question. I will give you the exercise problems homework, Nana. So please observe carefully here. Example number 18. So 1 by 4 plus root 5. So this is a irrational number. 4 plus root 5 denominator is a irrational, right? So to convert that 4 plus root 5 into rational, we shall multiply with 4 minus root 5. So if you observe the rationalizing factor of 4 plus root 5 is 4 minus root 5. 4 plus root 5 is 4 minus root 5. So take the general form, Nana. Suppose RF is nothing but rationalizing factor of a plus root b is a minus root b. Remember that. Okay. Or else root a plus root b is a root a minus root b. Okay. Clear? Just take that, Nana. Yes. So now in this problem, we are rationalizing this denominator. What is the denominator? 4 plus root 5. The 4 plus root 5 rationalization factor is 4 minus root 5. So now to rationalize that, yes, see, multiply the numerator and denominator by 4 minus root 5. So we are converting the irrational number into rational number, Nana, in the denominator. So 1 by 4 plus root 5, we are converting into 4 minus root 5 by 4 minus root 5. Okay. This 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5. Okay. So 4 minus root 5 by 4 into 4. We shall convert the simplify this in different methods, Nana. Just use this formula, or else you can take multiplication also, but better take this formula. As well, we can use one more formula, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square formula also we can use, Nana, where a is equals to 4, b is equals to root 5 in this formula. Otherwise, in this formula, a is equals to 4, b is equals to 5 in this formula. Okay. Yeah, anyway, if you simplify that, what it becomes as per this formula. Okay, already the textbook he has given this formula, so that I'm taking this formula, Nana, where a is equals to 4, b is equals to root 5. See, 4 square minus root 5 whole square. Okay, now what it becomes? 4 minus root 5 by 4 square is nothing but 16 minus square root gets cancelled 5, which is nothing but 4 minus root 5 by 11 is the answer. 4 minus root 5 by 11. This is the rationalization of denominator. Sit properly, all of you. Okay, 4 minus root 5 by 11 is the answer, Nana. Any doubts in this problem? Start your videos, all of you. Amulya, show me your books. Amulya, where's your books, Amulya? Sit properly, all of you. Yeah, any doubts, Nana? No doubts? Okay. Sahasra, remove your hand from camera. Yeah. Now tell me, Sahasra, what is the rationalizing factor? Tell me your own words. పక్కకి ఏం చూస్తు ఎవరున్నారు పక్కన? So we shall stop here. We'll meet in the next class.